Hi, Ivan. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You're renewing your garden?
Yes, I'm decorating my garden with artificial grass.
That's good. Do you need help to carry turf?
No, it's not quite heavy.
You try. Whoa, that's true.
Yeah, it's cool.
May I check the turf, please? Whoa, that's good. But my friend, you forgot to lay the anti-weed layer on turf.
No, actually not. This is a painting product. I will show you the video.
Okay.
It will tell you how to install.
CCGrass PRT series demonstrates its better quality with more benefits. The design of the product with no drainage holes prohibits natural grass to grow and infill to leak. What's more, the no coating feature makes CCGrass PRT series products lighter and softer and easy for installing.
Amazing.
Cool.
I can't wait to buy one for my garden.
Okay, no problem. And I will send you all the information and the company information to you. Okay, you can check it out on the YouTube or the Facebook.
Okay, could you send the information by WhatsApp?
Of course.
Okay, thank
See
you.
you.
See you.
See you.
See you.